guys sa aking konting shoes collection. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga shoes na ginagamit ko and kinokollect ko for a while. And yes, medyo hindi ko na sila nagagamit unlike before kasi nga medyo nag-busy ako. So yes, start na tayo. So on the upper part of the cabinet ay meron akong mga shoes dyan. Yes, as you can see, meron akong this nude color beige with heels. This is a Parisian. Yes. So, ginamit ko siya pang rampa nung sumali ako sa Philippine Plus Size Supermodel. And then, this one, yung aking Esprit sneakers. Yes. Matagal na sa akin to guys. It's like 5 years na. Pero still in good condition kasi hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit. So, yes. I bought it in Macau before. I really love that because gusto ko yung mga nude colors kasi madali silang i-turno sa mga damit. And then, there's this one. I'm going to show you. Itong Puma. Pink and purple. Mahilig ako sa pink and purple color shoes. Yes, this is Puma and I bought it in Macau also. So, yes, most likely, nasa 5 years na rin siya. Hindi ko siya masyado nagagamit, although nagamit ko siya for some special events. So, yun guys. And then the second part of the cabinet. So, ito pa rin yung aking shoes na pang rampa. Sorry. So, ito yung aking sash na Best in Runway and also the plaque is here for the plus size supermodel. And then this one, I use in queen size Bulakenya. Ginamit ko siyang pang practice. This is, and I bought it in online. Ang tatak niya is so fab. Yan. So, ganda siya kasi nude din siya. So, pag mga pageant, kailangan mga nude colors lang yung mga shoes na matataas yung mga heels. Actually, hindi pa nga ito masyadong mataas. So, yun lang yung appropriate para sa akin. And then, there's this one, yung Crocs na ballet shoes. Yes, I bought it in Macau as well. It's like 5 years na rin sa akin. Sobrang titibay nila. As in, parang pagsasawaan mo na sila before pa masira. And then, on the other side, this one is from America. Serap Art shoes. Yes, so meron siyang drawing. It's like, yeah, a real painting actually. So, makikita mo siya na parang oil pastel siya or acrylic. And yes, maganda siyang pang summer look. So, perfect siya for shorts and just casual events, diba? So, for the second layer, ito yung mga shoes ko. So, next layer na tayo. So, dito tayo sa left. So, in front, meron kaming picture ni Javi dyan. And then, yung mga lotions and conditioner. So, display ko na lang sila dito. Dito ko na lang siya in-store yung mga, I think this is mga sabon and conditioner from a hotel sa States. And then, bigay na ninang namin. And, kinip ko na lang sila as remembrance. So, yes, at the back is meron din tayong shoes dito. Oh, this one is from Adidas. Yes, this is a pink shoes. Mahilig talaga ako sa pink shoes kasi very girly sila. And sobrang tibay din ito guys. Yung, although meron na siyang konting scratches. Pero as you can see guys, intact pa rin siya. And parang Crocs yung pagkagoma niya. And yes, nagagamit ko to at madalas ko siya nagagamit. Actually, pag mga mahabang lakaran, gusto ko siya kasi malambot siya sa paa. And then, this one. Hindi ko na nga masyadong nalilinis tong mga shoes na to. And guys, this is from Lesonda. I bought it in Macau as well. And actually, this brand is from Hong Kong. So, as you can see, until now, meron pa rin siyang price tag. This is 998 Hong Kong dollars. And for the record guys, ito ang pinakamahal kong shoes. So, kayo na mag-convert into Hong Kong dollars. So, 1 Hong Kong dollars is around 6.5 pesos. So, yun yung price niya. And then, nagamit ko rin siya na nagtitraining ako sa Philippine Plus Size Supermodel sa Maleficent. Nagtitraining kami sa Quezon City. And on the upper layer, meron akong mga smartwatch dito. Couple smartwatch namin ni Hubby. And then, this is one is from Singapore. And meron akong cleanser dito. I don't know why. It's a green tea foam cleanser. Yes, hindi ko kasi nagagamit. And then the back. At the back, makikita nyo yung aking mga perfume. Meron dyan from the States. And then this one is my favorite. Yung baby doll. Yes. Ang bango niya. As in, smells like a baby. And then, meron din tayong perfume from Saudi. And then, from the States, yung iba. And then, this one, Madame is also from the States. And then, a Gucci. Yan, nabili ko na lang din yan. Makat perfume na yan. Sa friend ko, like Gucci, Clinique Heart, and Hugo Boss. And this one is the beauty one na ginagamit ko. It's from Beautyderm. So, Fujifilm camera. This is the one that is Stax camera. Hindi siya nagagamit. Although meron siyang battery and meron din siyang film inside. So, at the back is marami pang perfume. Actually, nagtatapon na rin ako ng iba na hindi nagagamit. And yun. So, yun yung ating first layer ng cabinet. So, for the second layer ng ating closet. So, this one. As you can see, this is a Steve Madden high heel. And also in peach color. Peach color siya. Yes, Steve Madden. I bought it in Hong Kong before. And yes, don't ask me the price. Just search it sa Google. And there's this one. This one is also from Adidas. Yes. Medyo matagal na rin siya. Yes, this is from Adidas. This is in white and this is a ballet shoes. Gustong-gusto ko rin siya. Gusto ko yung mga flats kasi mas komportable ako sa flats. And as meron akong sandal shoes from Celine. Yes, online ko siya binili and it's so cute. Pwede siyang pang formal, casual. Yes. So that's for the third layer. And then on the fourth layer, yes, this one is from Joy and Peace, also a brand from Hong Kong. So, nag-sale siya before and bumili ako ng dalawang kulay. It's in pink and it's in green. So, yun. Dahil nagko-collect na ako ng shoes and wala na siyang price tag and also, hindi ko siya nagamit ever. As in, for collection lang siya. Ang price niya ay nag-range sa... Yes. Check natin dito. So, yun guys. As you can see, it's 1,598 Hong Kong dollars. So, bahala na kayo mag-convert. So, yun. Dalawang klase siya ng Joy and Peace na ganun yung price. So, just for collection lang talaga siya. So, this another layer. As you can see, ay tinapon ko na dahil matagal ko na sila hindi nagagamit. So, this one is the elbow shoes. This one, to gamit to just from a local SM. I also got this Reebok rubber shoes. It's also in pink color. As I told you, mahilig talaga ako sa pink color, guys. So, yan, meron akong pink color na Reebok. So, good siya for jogging and everything. And I never wore this as well. And then, for the last layer, so, meron pa rin akong shoes dito. This one is from Joy and Peace pa rin siya. It's from Hong Kong pa rin. Sobrang taas niya. Once ko lang siya nagamit sa training. For my shoe collection lang din. And on this side, meron din tayong Nike rubber shoes. Yes, very comfortable din to. Galing siya sa America. And then here is meron tayong Skechers sandal shoes. Matagal na rin sa akin yan. Collection lang. Hindi ko siya nagagamit for any occasion. Yan yung aking mga shoes collection. Bottom part dito sa ibaba, nandyan yung aking mga bags. Yes, as you can see, ito yung aking Coach bag na white. Yes, this is also from the States. And yung gray jelly bag. Yes, na hindi ko na rin masyado nagagamit. And this one, this mustard color na shoulder bag is from SM. On the other side is a 2 Hello Kitty pink bag. Mahilig ako sa Hello Kitty when I was young, pero sa ngayon collection ko na lang sila. So itong dalawang bags na to, this one I bought it in Star Mall, and then the other one I bought it in SM, I guess. I can't remember na. And at the back, meron pa rin akong isang Coach bag. Yes, this is in black. Maganda rin siya and good for everyday use. So yun guys, siya ng aking closet. I hope nagustuhan niyo tong aking video, and please do subscribe sa aking channel. Click the thumbs up and the bell button guys para ma-notify po kayo sa aking mga vlogs. So I hope you enjoy this guys, and see you again next time. God bless and goodbye!